This piece is called Constructed Language Blue. I created it this year in 2021. It's got an equal height and width of 50 centimetres and a depth of 1 centimetre. It's made from pencil, cement, building sand, emulsion paint, industrial gloss, oil pastels, chalk, Butyral resin, acrylic, wallpaper adhesive, linseed oil putty, binding gel, watercolour paint, PVA admixture adhesive, varnish, and it's on canvas. I was researching into two artists, Jason Martin and Mark Rothko. Jason Martin is a painter. He tests the physicality of paint by working with strong gestural movements and motions where, as I say, the paint becomes very physical, dramatised and sculptural. Mark Rothko was an abstract expressionist artist, most known for his colour-filled paintings where he'd take canvases, divide them up into different colours in order to generate different emotions through colour. In this piece, I firstly created this block of mortar. I just wanted to break up the surface and give the canvas an added sculptural depth. And when this mortar was wet, I took a trowel and some of this blue emulsion paint and I started to engrave the emulsion paint into the mortar. I was interested in seeing how the two would react and if the emulsion paint would sit into the mortar and colorise it. Up here I created a skyline by using oil pastels and chalks. And down here I created a small little blue rectangle by using watercolour paints, leaving a white border round the outside. At the time the painting looked very natural, organic, pure and structured. But then I thought about Jason Martin and how he works with paint. So I took some blue high viscosity acrylic paint, some binding gel and some linseed oil putty. I mixed them all together and covered the canvas, covered the surface, covered everything that I had done. I then took some wet wipes and started to wipe away some of this very thick impasto paint. I was revealing that structured painting from underneath. So I was creating a new language of layering and removing through sculpture and painting.